So how can you import or sort of upload 4K videos from your iPad to YouTube? Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, on your iPad, the footage or the video which you have ready, make sure you check out the thing inside of your photos library to make sure that it actually is in a data quality, right? So you can just open up that video in full screen and swipe up on it to check out the information, which is going to reveal the screen like resolution, so you're gonna know exactly at which resolution of the video has been shot or edited, so that way you can upload that to YouTube. And if you can see that this is 4K, you can of course open up the main YouTube app, click on the plus button, and at the bottom make sure you are signed in, of course, tap on video and just pick the video from the gallery so you can easily upload it to the platform and it's gonna get the job done, right? So of course YouTube supports 4K videos. It's actually preferable because the quality is better and everyone likes higher quality of the content. So yeah, just make sure that the video is actually 4K before you upload, and then YouTube should most definitely handle it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find the thing on your iPad as well. In case of any questions, leave them below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.